if you want to hear, lend your ear and